days! This could be very expensive. I have got 1 million coins and I'm going to spend them all on packs. And hopefully I can get someone good. Now, earlier today, this happened.
Guys! I just got a legend! I wasn't recording! Holy shit! Wait, can you see that? On the web app, Inzaghi. That is 100%. Look, I was just opening packs. That was about my 4th pack. I've just woken up. Genuinely, I'm still in my pajamas. I haven't had a shower. I thought I'd open a pack. Oh, Jesus! Right, I don't know how to prove to you this is real. I don't know how to prove it's real. Does it say first owner? Like, player details. It doesn't. Where does it say first owner? I don't know where. I don't know how to show it. One sec. I'm gonna go on the console. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait, transfer list. Inzaghi. Where's he at? First owner. What are you saying?
So, EA gods, please let my luck continue. And let's just open these packs. Oh dear, this really could go so badly wrong. If I don't get someone good, I could be just out of coins. Come on. Oh my days. What? Come on. Who is it? Oh my. What? Evans is our best player. Messi on the front. Do we get Messi in the pack? No, we get Gignac. That's not good at all. Oh, come on, Casillas. No, Moya. Okay, that's all right. I'll take that. I've spent 50k so far, and we get. Come on. Oh, who's that? Zaza. What the fuck? And we get arse shavings as well. I don't want arse shavings. Come on. Bang. Martinez. You know what? He's actually all right. Come on, EA. Please give me. Oh my life. No. Nose pack. Come on! No, we got nachos. I didn't even get a rare player. And I got a non-rare silver. Come on, EA. Come on. Bang. Again, not a rare silver. But you know what? Holy shit. What a player. A non-rare centre-back. 80 pace. 76 defending. 6'3". Holy crap. I've now officially spent 100k on packs. And I've got no one that good, really. Oh, come on, Cavani! Yes! Wait, does he sell? I don't know, let me check. 30k? Maybe? Oh, no. What are we saying with this one? Oh, Kagawa? Not bad. Let's try a no-look pack. So, I'll just let it flash up. And I won't have a clue who it is. Please be someone high-rated. I bet you it's non-rare. Okay, Josh, open a pack. Let's see if you've got any better pack luck. Oh, boy. We're down to 880. No, wait. I can't speak. 845k. What? Please? Right, don't look. Turn away. Oh, my God. It's terrible. I really don't want to keep on opening these because I'm just wasting my coins and I'm going to get no one. See? I don't want Ansaldi. Oh, it's a rare player, but it's Sane. I don't know how you say his name. He's terrible. This is so incredibly bad. Oh, no. Why? So it turns out the EA servers are still terrible. That's brilliant. Surely. Come on, Josh. Believe. Oh, whoa. We got trash. Please, just make it a rare. It's not even a rare player. Come on. Please, just be rare. Whoa! I'm gonna try a toe pack. Let's go. Skip. Oh, it didn't work. No, wait, my TV just went off. No, get back on. Who do we get? Oh, Schmelzer. Where is this Messi? Where is it? No. You know what? Actually, he's all right. 91 pace, 82 dribbling, 5-star. Oh my God. Oh shit. He's a really good player. I'm keeping him. EA, what are you doing to me? What is that? Lucas? No! My best player was a 75 rated non-rare. That's my pack luck. So I just waited about half an hour because apparently at 6, this team of the week is... Okay, right. What? Well, trust me, there's a team of the week out at the moment, so I can now get informed. Hopefully. Let's go. Come on. There's an informed Ronaldo, so maybe I get him. Nope, I got De Jong. Oh, come on. No. I thought for some reason, I thought it was Neymar for a sec. But no, it's him. I'm nearly halfway through and Cavani is still my best player. And no, I thought it was David Silva. Oh, that's okay. Does he sell? Maybe. 10k. Come on. Oh, he sells for 3k. I mean, It's something. Okay, so my transfer list is full, and I can't discard anyone because it kicks me off Ultimate Team. So I can't play anymore. What? You know what? I'm going to have to open the rest on web app. This EA, your game is broken already. If I get that inform Ronaldo, I will genuinely strip naked and run through my house. My family's all home, but I don't care. Jeez, imagine you get inform Ronaldo on your first day of FIFA. You're set for life. Down to 400k and the game isn't working. Oh, you're absolutely taking the piss. Oh yes! I got one! Yes! Mom! That's all I wanted! Woo! I got informed! High five! Do you want to open a pack? He's really good. That's good, yeah. Then click on the 7,500 bit. Yeah, then click OK. And then you open a pack. Come on!
Good one.
And that's terrible. I've now got a legend and an inform and Casemiro. Maybe my luck is changing. If this video, I'm not gonna finish this video until I get someone amazing. Oh, I just spent coins. No, I don't want to spend coins. And look, that cost me 7.5k. All of that. Why? Ooh, his hair looks stupid. Jesus. I got Bellend and 2 silvers. Ooh, Ramos. He's good. He's very good. He is very, very good. Yes! There we go! Mata, 84, BPL. Does he sell for anything? 55k? Maybe. Not with 71 pace he won't, but I'll keep him. Oh! Oh, yes! In the next pack! We get our best player! Yes! 88 rated Iniesta. Oh boy, how much? 190k, maybe. That's good. That's good. EA, I'll lick your toes if this is any good. Please. Come on, and... Oh, Depay! Yes! Depay! I don't know how much he's worth, but that is still good. Wait, how much is he? 19k? Really? Will this be better than Depay? Let's see. EA, God, please. Come on! Oh, Torre! Yes! Yes! Yaya Torre! That is... I don't know if it's more expensive than Iniesta, but that's good. Please be worth a shit ton. 110k. That's good. Come on, Alaba. Give me someone good. Please. And skip. That is terrible. I want Traore. Oh, we got Alaba again. Why have I've had 2 packs with Alaba on the front in a row? I'm not going to skip this one. Come on. Oh. Ganser! Yes, that's good. Apart from the fact he's got 72 pace. What the fuck? I'm trying to skip these as quick as possible, but they're not. Come on. Oh! Angel Di Maria! Yes! You beauty! PSG, 88 pace, 86 dribbling, 83 passing. What a god. Please tell me he sells for an absolute shit. Wait, 120k? That's a lot of coins, but I've spent so many FIFA points. I think I would have been better. Can you even buy coins? I don't even know at the moment. But that cost me a lot of money, but we got 120k. Messi on the pack. Do we get Messi in the pack? Almost definitely not. Come on. Thomas Muller. Oh, wait, no, hang on. Why was I disappointed? Tough shit. Thomas Muller. 86 rated. 84 shooting. I mean, I don't reckon he'll sell for much. What? I'm so used to be disappointed with Thomas Muller, but it's the start of FIFA, and an 86 rated player is very good. Come on, Alaba. No, you've given me non-rares. Come on. Griezmann. I've got faith. Tevez! Yes! I got him on my other account. His price range is like 150k. He's sick this year. He's 87 pace, 88 shooting, 89 dribbling, 84 physical. He doesn't have 4-star skills though, but that'll do. But I promise you, I've spent so many FIFA points. Oh god. Oh my days. No! Yes! The dream! Josh, you ready? Don't move your head. I don't want to... Okay. Josh. 3, 2.
One.